Okay, let's talk about knee pain, but actually inner knee pain or even sometimes groin pain. So let's move that into position so we can see where that pain is. Now, typically, the muscle we're really interested to show you today is the adductor brevis, which is kind of like up there, but the pain is like more like this way. So we're going to work with that, and I'm going to show you how to locate it, massage it, and then stretch it so that you can keep the pain away. Now, typically, the adductor brevis has multiple other symptoms. I'm not going to go too deep into any of those. I'm just going to move forward with this. And if you're interested in understanding what these symptoms are, what their connections are, download the app and you can do that. But in this case, we're interested in seeing the adductor brevis, and so that's the adductor brevis. Really easy to find because the job of the adductor brevis is to bring, if your legs are like wide open like that, they help to bring the knees in. So that's what she's doing. She's being her knees splayed out, and when she brings the knee in, if she keeps her hand, if you keep your hand just above a little below your groin on your thigh, on the inner thigh, and move your knee, you will feel the adductor brevis move. And that's right there is the adductor brevis, and brevis means it's a really short muscle, so it's easy to find its trigger point, not very difficult. And so let's go to learn how to work with it. So the first part is you need to find, because it's really close to the groin, you need to bring the ball really deep into your body. So what you have to do is you have to lie sideways. You can use a pillow to make yourself comfortable and get a hard bolster, or if bolster is not good, what I really like to keep it simple is a stack of books, because the books are really hard. And then put the ball on the books and then bring them really close up to your thigh, and then bring the leg on which the brevis is to be worked on and straddle over the ball close to your body. And the ball should immediately hit on the brevis and work on it. Remember, 30 seconds to a minute. Don't overdo it, don't force it, don't push it. Just hold it, and you will find that the muscle starts kind of softening and becoming more and more supple. And you will feel perhaps the sensation even running down to your knee or up into your groin. That's a good sign, because that means you've hit the exact trigger point and it's starting to release. Once you've done that, the next part is to stretch, and the stretch is to do the exact opposite of what the adductor did. So if the adductor's job was to bring the knees in like this, you have to do the opposite. And all you have to do is just sit down and let your knees fall apart, let the gravity do the work, and it should be really easy. And if you just hold it, you don't have to push, you don't have to force anything. Just hold it like that, and the longer you hold it, the easier it becomes, and slowly you'll find your knees kind of dropping out and the muscle will lengthen out, and that should substantially reduce the pain that you were having, whether it was an inner knee pain, and in many cases adductor brevis also contributes to groin pain. So both of those can be resolved. I hope you found this really helpful. If you want more details, download the app, and then you get the YouTube links and you can go and see that, and you can get detailed descriptions on all of the symptoms, how to find these muscles and all that. Thank you for watching.